Hello everyone, welcome to iTech Studios, and in this video or tutorial I will show you how to recover your deleted files on Windows for free, and then I'll be using a software called Recuva by Preform, which I've provided the link to get access to this software at the description section. So you can use the link to get to this site and then download the free version of this software. After downloading the software, you launch the software to begin the recovery process. As I already said, Recuva is a software designed by Preform to help recover files that have been deleted accidentally or due to errors. It doesn't matter how the files got deleted. Recuva can help you recover all those files. And then this is the first interface that you get to see after installing the software. And you are being asked if you want to use this wizard. You simply press cancel and you have access to advanced features of Recuva. But I usually prefer this wizard on startup, so I'll click next. And then you are being asked here, what sort of files are you trying to recover? Is it emails, compressed files, video, documents, music, pictures, or you are trying to recover files including the listed above below? So if what you are trying to recover is a combination of pictures, documents, and then videos and so on, you just go for the all files, and then you click next. And then you'll be asked where were the files, or the location of the files. If you are not sure, you just check the I'm not sure, and then it will search everywhere on this computer for your deleted files. If it was on your media card, you check this box. In your documents, in recycle bin, and then if you already know the specific location of the file, you just check this option. In my case, I know where the location of my files are, and then I'll be using these files in doing this tutorial. Is on my pen drive, and then I'm coming to delete them and then recover them with Recuva. As you can see, I've selected uh, these three files. I have some images here, and then cheat engine software, and then some text files. So I'll just highlight them and delete them. And then as you can see here, files being deleted from a pen drive doesn't go to the recycle bin, they just get deleted straightforward. So as you can see, I've deleted the file. There is nothing on the drive. So I'll just check this box in a specific location, and I'll click on browse, and I'll select the location of the files which was on my drive, the iTech drive. And then the application is capable of interacting with a wide range of file systems, including FAT and NFTs. So it allows us to recover data from USB drive, SD cards, hard drives, and so many more, making Recuva the best among softwares used in recovering deleted files. So I'll just select the drive and click OK and click on next. And then one amazing feature about Recuva is you are always being given two scanning options, which is the quick scan and then the deep scan. And then the quick scan is usually sufficient for most files. But if you are unable to find what you are looking for, then you just go ahead and then check the deep scan. But in my case, I'll be using the quick scan. So I'll just click start. As you can see, it is done. It also has an amazing scanning speed. And then I'll just look through the files that we're able to recover and then look for my files. As you can see, here are the images. So I'll just check the box of the files that I want to recover. And then another thing to the red symbol or the red color behind the files and then so on. They all have their meaning. The green color is trying to tell us that this file is good, it has not been damaged, it's working perfectly well. And then the red sign means the files have been damaged. And then sometimes you can get the yellow or orange like color, which also signifies that the file have been partially damaged. So I'll just go ahead and look for my files. Here are the two images, and then the cheat engine, and then the logins text file. And I'll just click on recover at the right bottom of the Recuva software interface. and then I'll select a location for recovery, which I've already created a folder on the desktop, which is the recovery, and I'll select the recovery and click OK and wait for a few seconds. Then it's done recovering the files. So after that, you just head to the uh, folder and then see if your files are really working. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly well. And then there is nothing wrong here. And then one thing too is if let's say you have tons of files in a folder, like I have two images in this folder, and you want to recover the files the same way as they were in the folder, you can head to the recover. In this interface, you can click to switch to advanced mode, and then as you can see on the toolbar here, you get an option column here. So you just click on the options, and then you get to actions. And as you can see, if you install the software for the first time, you see that all these boxes have been unchecked. So you go ahead and then you check all these boxes. You show files found in hidden system directories, show 0 bytes files, and then show securely overwritten files, and then deep scan as well. And then you scan for non-deleted files, and then you restore the folder structure as I already said. So this is the important thing here. You restore the folder structure. So if you have tons of files in a folder and then they got deleted, you can recover the files to be the same way they were, and then that's all. So you just click OK, and then you select the drive if you know the location of the files as I already did, and then you choose the file, and then you come to the scan section, and then you scan for files. That's all for this video, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.